Jasper AI, the next big thing? Jasper is the AI with a Chrome extension that allows you to write open-ended posts, not just utilize templates. But do you know that Jasper AI is going to be the big thing? How is it going to revolutionize the world? We will discuss Jasper AI in this video, how it is changing writing, and what will be the future of AI writing. Therefore, ensure you watch this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to TechUniverse for more videos like this. Here we begin! You may have heard about the surging technology, AI or artificial intelligence. However, there are several areas and applications where AI can be analyzed in detail. And one such region is writing. And here enters Jasper, an AI writing tool that assists you in writing essays, ad copy, social media subjects, product explanations, and much more. This technology is a great way to utilize your time and enhance your article quality efficiently. Most of you have always been fascinated by artificial intelligence and how it can be utilized. But recently, we can change this role after finding out and surveying Jasper AI, which can expand real significance to your writing through automation. Jasper AI, which is earlier known as Jarvis AI and Conversion AI, is a modern AI writing software that can assist you in producing articles, blog posts, summaries, and more. It's helpful equipment for writers who prefer to broaden their horizons and improve their productivity. As it utilizes AI technology, you will find that the outcomes are frequently more than just adequate, and they are impressive. You can utilize the device to compose blog posts, social media subjects, website subjects, articles, summaries, or even books. You only type your notions into the strategy, press a button, and congratulations, Jasper AI puts up with the care of everything else. Simply put, you have to settle on some article to provide its algorithms with some notion about what you need to compose. Then it comes up with several samples of text that you may utilize in your websites, blogs, social media, and other copies. The best aspect about utilizing this software is that it saves you lots of time so that you can concentrate on other aspects like commerce or publicity of your content. Still, it's crucial to remark that Jasper AI doesn't restore human writers or editors. Instead, it completely assists you to compose better content faster, attain some notions for your content, and frequently assists you to withstand the popular writer's block, or if you're only getting lazy. Now let's see how Jasper AI works. Jasper AI utilizes machine learning algorithms along with NLP or natural language processing technology to evaluate users' regulations and give them customized content, and this is according to their input. Its algorithms are nourished with a ton of content from the internet, and it helps you to generate content that can be utilized in marketing messages, blogs, emails, and social media posts. Not only this, they furthermore alleged to have consumed SEO and direct response marketing specialists to educate their tool, Jasper, to compose content. Once you enlist with Jasper, the first aspect you will notice when you sign up for Jasper AI is a user-friendly interface. Jasper AI is not cluttered and has vast regulators and easy icons, so you can begin immediately. You can begin by selecting from 50 distinct writing skills: product description, email subject lines, video script, Google Ads headlines, and more. Let's say you must compose a product conclusion for your social media, website, or email. Then you can click on the template and continue to notify the AI about your product or the tool, what the output is about, and the tone of voice. Once you squeeze the generate button, Jasper will compose content immediately before your eyes. The corporation contends that Jasper has examined about 10% of the internet and understands all about your nook. They also assert that it equipped expert marketers to compose emotionally persuasive copy. The best part, you can even bestow commands to the AI attendant quickly in the document. Say for example, "Hey Jasper, compose a paragraph about dolphins and the manner of the voice of Joe Rogan." You can revise and paraphrase the content inside the article and even produce your next paragraph on your own. It's abrupt and straightforward. The content will furthermore be plagiarism-free, and you will find that it's optimized for SEO. There are even paths to facilitate the writing procedure further and decrease the danger of repetition. Jasper is not only a text generator. It furthermore has a characteristic called the rewrite feature, which enables you to rewrite the generated script by any means you need. This gives rise to Jasper, a helpful tool for marketers, copywriters, and others attempting to establish content quickly. Jasper is very creative. It will surprise you all to know that Jasper reads and writes many languages around the world like Bulgarian, Chinese, French, Czech, Greek, Danish, Dutch, English, German, Hungarian, Romanian, Polish, Italian, Japanese, Russian, and Spanish, among other languages. This can be useful for industries looking to broaden globally, bloggers who need to attain new readers, and anyone else who wants to converse with people from various cultures. Jasper gives native integration with Surfer SEO, an outstanding device for content estimation optimization. The integration with Jasper assists you in optimizing your subject for SEO, which is a crucial component for receiving higher orders in search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. You will be surprised to know that one of Jasper's distinctive elements is the proficiency to establish the tone of voice for anything you want. At the same time, you can select from a span of given alternatives or enter words of popular personalities you need Jasper to stimulate. For instance, you can select Elon Musk, Bill Gates, etc., and then Jasper will do its magic. Jasper will contemplate everything you put to provide you with the most relevant content. In addition to a full arrangement of pre-built templates, Jasper's Boss Mode enables you to establish long-form content based on your particular demands and use cases. Blog posts, Facebook ads, marketing emails, website copy and product descriptions, even books that you can develop with all the Boo Mode. Isn't it great? You can start by unlocking a new document and you'll be eligible to interact with Jasper in a few extraordinary Boss Mode paths. But then, you only have to provide Jasper with a few elements about what you want Jasper to write, including the tone of voice, terminology, keywords, and more. Jasper furthermore gives AI-based devices which are used to produce paragraphs, creative stories, text summaries, blog outlines, product descriptions, blog topic ideas, blog introductory blog paragraphs, company bios for LinkedIn, conclusions, personal bios, Facebook and Google ad headlines, and much more. You will particularly adore how templates are allocated based on several use cases, like email, ads, website, blog, Google e-commerce, social media, video, SEO, and more. Finally, we can summarize that Jasper AI comes with pre-built templates and use cases that you can begin your next program quickly. So that's all for today. What do you think about Jasper AI? Do you think it will change the experience of writing? Let me know in the comments section. And we will be back with more contents like this, so make sure to subscribe to TechUniverse and smash the bell icon to get new updates.